we're going to go ahead and install our new shower head. And you can also put some Teflon on here if you'd like to. It has a rubber gasket in here. Most of the time you'll be okay, but to be on the safe side, let's go ahead and put Teflon. Alright, we got that nice and snug on there. Nice shower head. Go ahead and put that right in there and bracket. Looks a little bit high, so you can just move this whole body down to your desired level. And now you can take that off, use it for the shower. Go ahead and turn it on. There we go. And you should not have any leaks. Looks good. Alright, have a good one.